Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find the derivative of the function y equals 1 over x. What we're supposed to do first? Simply rewrite this function in form of like this, x to power -1. Okay? So now the problem looks much simpler because right now I can use the formula of the derivative of the constant times a power of x. So where is my constant? There is always invisible 1 over here. So I have dy over dx is equal derivative 1x to -1 over dx. So constant goes first, so I have 1. You don't have to write 1, but I'm doing this especially for students who have difficulties with mathematics. So I have times the exponent, so my exponent is -1 times x, and next I'm supposed to simply subtract from my exponent 1. So I have -1 minus 1, okay? I did all steps according to the formula. So I have dy over dx is equal -1x to -2. So you can write this answer like this, or you can simply convert your negative exponent to positive and simply write that this is equal -1 over x to the second power. And this is the solution to my problem.